Nearly every aspect of human life has been affected by the spread of coronavirus pandemic. Businesses, either small or big, across all types of industries are grappling to resume normalcy in their day-to-day operations. The impact is large and widespread. Layoffs and salary cuts have soared. Unemployment is rising at an unprecedented pace, and household finances have been thrown into uncertainties. Among others, one area hugely impacted by COVID-19 is higher education. The academic session for graduation is upon us. However, high school students today face such challenges that is radically different than many of us ever imagined. There is no clarity as to when they will be able to explore the exciting life ahead of high school, as colleges and universities have been forced to switch to online courses while struggling with a myriad of other issues, especially technology. Preparing them for post-COVID-19 world require adaptability, resilience, and flexibility. Now let's talk about the challenges in college experience due to COVID-19. This crisis has forced educational institutes across the country to reimagine how to deliver and engage in an holistic learning experience to students in the absence of physical learning infrastructure. Colleges and universities as well as schools have made enormous shift toward online courses, which will undoubtedly impact the success and retention of the students. These requisite changes have been challenging for most colleges, especially the one which emphasize an intimate college experience. Moreover, with campus closures, colleges have lost the opportunity to actively engage with the students through on-campus experiences. Colleges might be mounting a ton of webinars, but on-campus events remain the most impactful event for most of the students. Now let's talk about the opportunities brought by the pandemic challenges. Though the situation is challenging, it is also a massive opportunity to break out of old habits and take advantage of technology to create new, impactful and relevant mode of learning. If there is any good thing about the crisis, it is the realization of the significance of technology. The companies and educational institutes who were technologically equipped found it relatively easier to switch to remote work and classes respectively. It is expected that the pandemic will result in colleges and universities become more tech-savvy and make education more accessible by automating tasks and day-to-day operations like counseling, student life, career development, etc. Now let's talk about the students' plan of study abroad. Despite the pandemic, South Asia student abroad interest remains high. According to a survey by counseling organization Global Reach, a mere 2% of the prospective students in South Asia would totally drop the idea of studying overseas due to the pandemic. Similar to this, a Yokit survey revealed that close to 70% of the respondents still had an interest in studying abroad in the July to September 2020 session despite COVID-19. The limitations of the studies are quite evident since the unprecedented situation has resulted in overnight changes in the socio-political reality of the world. However, COVID-19 impacted the decision of 48.46% students who aspired to study abroad, and the majority of them are non-STEM students, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics students. So in the nutshell, I want to convey that tough times don't last forever, as industry veterans are fast engaging to interact virtually with the students to contemplate the effects of the pandemic on education. Students will have access to a roadmap for a career that is rewarding and impactful. Though it is too early to judge how the pandemic will affect the education system in the long term, these experimental alterations can bring a lasting impact on the trajectory of the learning innovation and digitization. If you feel this video informational, then hit the like button and share this video to your loved ones. And for more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.